So I think an area of law that will grow in the future is sports law. Even with our firm, we're now expanding within that sector. So I think working with sports clients, corporate deals, commercial deals within that industry, I think that will expand in the future.
So we talked about in the session just now, is the key thing will be the different jobs that will be available within a law firm. At the moment, when you think of a law firm, you might think of being a solicitor, or we work in marketing or HR, but working in the innovation and legal technology team, you start to see different jobs that will start coming up. So you'll have a legal technologist who might sit next to a solicitor, who might sit next to a prompt engineer, for example. So the makeup of the legal teams as a result of AI will be transformed over the next 5 or 6 years. You also start seeing solicitors getting a lot of the more manual work being automated, and it means they can work on the more interesting work that they became a solicitor for. So using their some more strategic thinking and the more sort of points that need to be negotiated.
So at Shoosmiths, we're really embracing AI, and that's both inside the firm at the moment. Our lawyers and our business services are encouraged to use AI to help them with efficiencies. We've used it for a long time in the firm, and this is why we're really interested in embracing it at the candidate application stage as well. We've produced some guidance for candidates so they can really understand what is and isn't acceptable when it comes to utilising AI as part of the application and recruitment process.
So I think a key one is litigation. I think a lot more people will be able to afford to bring a claim because of their cost reductions in sort of discovery. And so a key thing that a lot of people can't bring a claim is the actual cost of taking something to court. With AI, it means that some people with a slightly smaller budget or also smaller companies will be able to actually have access to bring a claim and actually get access to justice. So I think dispute resolution will be a key thing that might change over the next few years.
I think a lot of firms are snapping each other up. I think there's a huge consolidation in practice areas. I work in insurance right now as a trainee, so I think there's a huge, as I say, consolidation in these firms and practice areas. So that's what the clients buying each other, merging, acquiring each other, and the firm's also doing the same. So panels are getting smaller and smaller every year as we see, and we need to sort of make sure that our offerings are the best that we can for clients. But it's things like that that I see are on the horizon, they're already happening, and we need to be ready for.